YouTube family, what is going on with y'all, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Jay and the fam. What's happening with y'all? Man, look, today I do have a lot of things to show y'all. We will be getting into some unboxings as well as some pickups that your boy recently picked up, man. So before we get into it, let's keep the streak going, man. 1,000 or more likes on this video, so go ahead, run up the likes real quick for your boy, hitting y'all with this continuous content, man, leading up until the year 2023, man. Look, new year, new beginnings. Y'all go ahead and set all y'all New Year's resolutions and get ready. My New Year's resolution is to make it to 2024. Be healthy, be alive, and be rocking out with the fam, man. But yeah, man, look, today, like I did say, we do have some unboxings to get into, man. Before we get into it, gotta give a big shout out to my fam over at Outrank Brand. Bang! So Outrank Brand right here, as you can see, is a clothing company, y'all. Got some dope clothing products. As you can see, this is the Outrank Brand tee, making ends, losing friends tee. So you have that right there on this one. Pretty dope hoodie. You know, they got stuff that are essential for, you know, the winter season and all that. And this can go dope with, of course, bread 11s, bread 1s. And I mean, if y'all got, I wasn't supposed to show that yet, man. You know, if you got anything early, you know, this will go well with it, man. So definitely check out Outrank Brand. They do have a lot of stuff over on their website. Give them a follow on Instagram. You can see the products that they do have to match up with the upcoming kicks. And use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. You will save some money on their dopeness. So, yeah, man, check them out today. Outrank Brand. Let's get into it. Appreciate y'all. So, dang, man. So here we go, y'all. We do have a bag here, man, from my local shoe store, sneaker boutique in my area by the name of Fresh Sneaker Boutique. So your boy went over there, right? And they are having a crazy sale, man. They're having like 50% off pretty much their whole entire store. So I got what I got my hands on. I think my total for everything that I do have right here was, I'm trying to find the receipt real quick so y'all can, you know what I'm saying? Take a look at the receipt, man. Receipts are good, man. I know y'all see it. My total was $128. Fresh Sneaker Boutique, man. This is no cap rap, but $128 for both these shoes that I did get. And let's see what your boy picked up, man. So first things first, in this box right here, it is the Air Jordan 1, like a special type of Air Jordan 1 box. And it is, I'm not even gonna read the size tag because we got a lot to get into, but it is the Air Jordan 1 Low Crafts. So I did pick up the Air Jordan 1 Low Crafts. I think the price on this one was like $70. So it was an upcharge on Jordan products, but for $70, you cannot beat these, man. So definitely had to pick these up for $70. It does come with an extra set of laces. Bang! Here they go right here. The Craft, aka the Inside Out Air Jordan 1 Lows. It was a shoe that I have seen before. They do have these in a mid form, but I think the lows look better in my opinion. But I did see these before. I probably showed y'all in one of my vlogs. Never picked them up because I was like, I'm not spending no more money like that on these Air Jordan 1 Lows, this in particular style. But for 70 bucks, I couldn't refuse it. So I did pick these up. DS might have been tried on because that one is laced up, but DS cannot beat that price. $128 total for both these shoes. Second shoe real quick, right here, as you can see, there's a LeBron James logo on the top of the lid. Of course, you got LeBron written on that side. So let's pop it open real quick and see what your boy paid $50 for, man. So I paid $50 for this shoe right here, and that shoe is none other than, bang, the LeBron 2s. I think these are the 2s, the LeBron 2 navy joints. I don't know the in particular name for this shoe, but for 50 bucks, man, shout out to Fresh, man, because that's a steal on these. 50 bucks, I couldn't refuse them. Right there, take a look at them. Definitely not a bad pair of shoes. It wouldn't be my go-to, but for 50 bucks, like I said, man, I couldn't beat the price, man. So I did pick up these LeBron 2s. They have been going on sale at a lot of different retailers, but I haven't seen them for no 50 bucks, man. So shout out to Fresh for letting your boy add these to the collection, man. A $50 piece, you know what I'm saying? Swoosh on that side, Nike written on that side. I just noticed the difference in between those two shoes, but pretty dope, but cannot go wrong. $50 for these two. Let's keep the vid rolling. Appreciate y'all. We just gonna open it. we gonna save that. But this right here is a pickup from the Nike Sneakers app. Your boy did hit on these after I failed miserably on the lobsters, the orange lobsters. I wasn't able to hit for retail, but these dropped later on that day, and I got these instead. But I don't know if I'm keeping these, but we'll see, you know, once I see how they look in hand. But this is my first time seeing this shoe in hand, and it is a Nike SB, as you can see. Purple box right here, straight from the Nike Sneakers app. No need to get into a size tag and all that stuff. I just want to see the shoes. So we gonna open it up real quick and we gonna take a look at these shoes. Bang, man. So here we have them, y'all. We do have the Nike SB Dunk. Why so sad? I did hit on these for retail. Why not? You know, if you can get them for retail, why not? You know what I'm saying? So I did hit on these on the Sneakers app, and I'm curious to know how they look in hand. They not bad. They're not bad. Definitely not a bad shoe, but I don't know if I need them. Don't know if I need them, and I know I don't need them. I don't know if I want them is the question. But here they go right here, man. The Nike SB Dunk Low. Why so sad? Not a bad pair of shoes, man. Not a bad pair of dunks in my opinion. All over blue. Two different tones of blue. Of course, you got your dark blue, light blue, a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow, you know, a little bit of a little bit. But it does have those question marks on the back because it's asking you a question. Why so sad? But you got your pigeon right there on the side, riding that bike. Got a pigeon over here on a skateboard. So little details on the shoe, and of course it does have some little things written on the insoles of both shoes. Does come with an extra set of laces. I can see right there some blue laces. That's the only color laces that they come with, but that's gonna be a whole lot of blue. But here they go right here. Why so sad dunks? Your boy got these off Sneakers app. Don't know if I'll be keeping them. Y'all let me know your thoughts on these down below. I don't know if it's something I'll be wearing, but I got them for now, man. We'll see what we're gonna do with them later on down the road. But I just wanted to show y'all another one of the pickups that your boy does have. Why so sad dunks? I don't know, but let's keep it moving. Yes, sir. So yes, down to the meat and potatoes of this video. We got a box right here. Shout out to the homie Jumper Man Chris. Shout out to him, man. He been rock solid since day one. I knew him, but he sent your boy over this package, sold it to me for a fair price. I said I need them, let me get them, and they're here now. So this right here is an all over black box, as you can see. If you know, you know. This shoe sold out instantly. It is going for a couple hundred on the resale side of things, but is it needed? I don't think so, but we gonna talk about it. I told you I was gonna have this on the channel because your boy Jay don't sleep, so it's here. But anyways, other than the box, this is a slide out style box, man. So as you can see, the box comes out of this little, you know, sleeve that it has, but we don't need that. Box right here, as you can see. Does it deserve a bang? I think it deserves a bang, man. So bang! Here is the box, as you can see, all over black with a little bit of gloss right there on that Nike. Just blacked out, man. Blacked out. So size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP. Color blocking is black Phantom black. Size Nina. You know what I'm saying? Size Nina for your boy. Size 9, good old size 9. So that it is a personal pair right here. Popping off the lid. Okay. Got a glossy lid. Very, very glossy, as you can see my ring light, but very glossy lid. There's no, is there a lot number on here? I don't see a lot number. No lot number, but I do see a Nike swoosh up top that y'all can barely see. It's a Nike swoosh up there and it says swoosh on the other side. So you do have that detailing on it. And right here you got some paper. Got some paper, some white paper, and then you good. Look like you got a bandana in there. So, let's take them out. So, yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do what I was gonna do because it's just, that's it. That's it. But taking them out real quick. Taking them out, we got two shoes that are wrapped up in what looks to be a bandana. So, nothing else in here. It does have a white and green sticker in there though as well. So white and green sticker, that's all you might have in the box. But two bandanas, man. Let's unveil these bandanas and see what we got real quick. Black bandana, but it does have like Travis Scott stuff written right there. It got a Jumpman right there. It does have a Travis Scott face. So it has quite a few different things on this black bandana right here. So I don't deal with the bandanas, man. I don't do the fooling with this type of stuff, but hey, whatever floats your boat, Travis Scott. But okay, I got one pair right here. Let me take this, or one shoe right here. Let me take this other one out so we can have a pair. But same thing on the other bandana. And here we have them. Bang! The Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Black Phantom. So we got them right here. The most recently released Air Jordan Travis Scott collab. And this is rumored to be the last men's or full family size Travis Scott release with Jordan Brand. So after this one and the women's pair that will release, there will be no more Travis Scotts under the branch of Jordan Brand, so they say. But we will just have to see when that happens. But we got them right here, Black Phantoms. Take a look at the back. Look like you got a little B or something on that shoe. Jordan Wings logo on that shoe. Here they go. Here they go. Different. That sock liner looks a little bit different. It look like you got like some carpet type of material going all throughout the insole right there. But you have two types of materials on the uppers. You got like I want to say a suede and a nubuck. Like you got like a nubuck soft material right here, and then where it gets to that jet black in the back, it's more of a suede. Same thing on the outlining right there throughout the toe back box and stuff. But these right here, they mid, man. Shout out to JMK. Hold on. He got this in here, man. Shout out to Jumperman Chris. Y'all check him out. Get a homie a follow. But shout out to Jumperman Chris right there. He did give me a sticker that came with it. So dopeness. But yeah, man, these is, they alright, man. They alright. They ain't worth no resale or nothing like that. But they do come with an extra set of two laces that I can see right here, man. So you do got like that white and black checkered style, and you do got a red lace right there. And it looks pretty much the same thing to a regular Travis Scott on the insoles. As you can see, if you own any Travis Scotts, right there, you know what I'm saying? It's the same type of detailing on the insoles. But yeah, man, here they go, the Black Phantom Air Force. The Black Phantom Travis Scott Jordan collab joints right here. Of course, you got some Cactus Jack stuff right there on the tongue. Man, regular Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. I just had to add them to the collection because I got all the other ones, man. So let me go ahead and cop these. Price wasn't bad. I'll take them. Shout out to the homie Jumperman Chris, man. But hey, Black Phantom Jordan 1 Lows in the building. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. And did I not get a steal from Fresh? I think those shoes are kind of random, but I think it was a steal, even, you know, though they're not nothing like to go crazy about. But these are these, those are those. I still do see it does have Cactus Jack written on the back right here, just like the rest of the other Travis Scott. So you still got that Cactus Jack right by the back of the swoosh right there. But yeah, man, that's it for this one, man. Black Phantoms, I got them. Will I be doing a video on these? I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. But I definitely will be keeping them. But that is it for this one. Y'all give it a thumbs up. Your boy Jay is checking out. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next time, it'll probably be a movie because we got some Air Jordan 2s to talk about. But other than that, I'm gone, man. Peace.